To create smart notes in Obsidian, you'll build a connected knowledge system by focusing on one main idea per note and connecting them with internal links. If you're ready to build a more efficient way to organize your thoughts and research, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is create your Smart Notes folder structure. Open Obsidian and navigate to your preferred vault. In the File Explorer sidebar, you'll see a Folders section. Click the plus sign to create 3 new folders: Ideas, Knowledge, and References. The Ideas folder is where you'll capture new thoughts and concepts, a space for initial exploration. The Knowledge folder is where you'll store your refined, developed smart notes. And the References folder will be your centralized location for external resources like articles and books, keeping information organized and easily accessible. This foundational structure is key to building a truly connected knowledge base. Now, let's create the Ideas folder. Inside the Ideas folder, create a new note called Smart Notes Dashboard. This dashboard will be your central hub, a quick overview of your ongoing projects and ideas. Within the Smart Notes Dashboard note, create a section titled Recent Ideas for capturing new thoughts, then a Knowledge Notes section as we develop those ideas. Also add references, recent links, quick links, and notes, providing a flexible layout to organize your work. This dashboard gives you a central place to track your progress and quickly access your most important resources. Next, it's time to capture those new ideas. Whenever you encounter a novel concept, a spark of inspiration, a fascinating article, or a crucial insight, create a separate note for it. Each smart note should be laser-focused on a single concept. Instead of trying to cram multiple topics into one note, building individual notes and connecting them later using internal links improves clarity, makes updating easier, and allows you to reuse your existing knowledge more effectively. Moving on, let's create the Knowledge folder. This folder is where you'll consolidate your refined smart notes, your core understanding of each concept. As your ideas become clearer and more defined, move or create notes here, establishing a long-term knowledge base. The best practice here is to maintain one idea per note, so you can more easily build connections between related concepts. Now, let's create a core note, the Concept note. Inside the Knowledge folder, create a new note called Concept note. This note will be the template for all your smart notes, providing a consistent structure for your ideas. Within the Concept note, create a section titled Main Idea, then Explanation, Key Points, Related Notes, and References. Using this consistent format, a central idea, detailed explanation, key takeaways, connections to other notes, and supporting references for all your smart notes makes your knowledge base significantly easier to navigate and maintain. Now, let's create the References folder. This folder serves as a repository for all your supporting material, articles, books, links, and other resources. Inside the References folder, create a note called Reference Library. This note, similar to the Concept note, is organized with sections for books, articles, websites, useful links, and notes. Storing your source materials here allows you to support multiple smart notes without duplicating information, streamlining your research process. It's time to connect those notes. Utilize Obsidian's internal linking capabilities to create a connected knowledge network. Link the Smart Notes dashboard with the Concept note and the Reference Library. Also, link the Concept note with any other related concept notes you've created. And finally, link your reference materials with the notes they support. These carefully constructed connections transform disparate notes into a dynamic knowledge network, strengthening your understanding and facilitating seamless information retrieval. To further organize your smart notes, let's add properties. Properties are tags that help you categorize and manage your notes, adding an extra layer of control. Consider using properties for topic, status, for example, draft, review, complete, category, date created, last updated, and source. Consistency here is key, so establish a standard set of properties and apply them to all your notes. Next, let's add tags for enhanced organization. Use tags like learning, research, idea, reference, project, and writing to group similar notes. Tags provide a flexible way to locate related concepts across your entire vault. Think of tags as keywords that describe the essence of your notes. Finally, it's time to review and expand your smart notes. This workflow involves capturing a new idea as its own note, organizing it within the appropriate folder, connecting it to related notes using internal links, and updating its properties or tags. Regularly review your smart notes, refine your explanations, and add new connections as your understanding grows. Over time, a small collection of connected notes develops into a remarkably valuable personal knowledge system. Smart notes, at their core, focus on a single idea and are designed to connect with other notes rather than exist in isolation. Instead of composing lengthy documents that attempt to cover many subjects, you're building a collection of focused notes that are linked together. This approach not only makes it easier to review information, but also facilitates the discovery of relationships between ideas and allows you to seamlessly reuse your knowledge for future projects, research, or writing. Creating smart notes in Obsidian offers several key benefits: better organization, connected knowledge, easier learning, faster information retrieval, and a scalable knowledge base. Remember to keep each smart note focused on one idea. Give every note a clear and descriptive title. Connect related notes using internal links. Write explanations in your own words. Keep reference materials separate from your knowledge notes, and regularly review and expand your smart notes. Maintaining these habits will improve your workflow and your knowledge base. Don't forget to back up your Obsidian Vault regularly and build your knowledge base gradually over time. Make connecting ideas a regular part of your note-taking workflow and let your notes evolve as you continue learning. If you're ready to take your note-taking to the next level, experiment with this method.